Dave, and this is El Granada Barbecue. We do Southern cooking with the California twist. And today we're really going to exploit that California twist. We're getting ready to smoke some lobster tail. Had this a couple of days. I've only smoked lobster tail once before. It came out pretty good. And so today we're going to try it again. How we're going to do this, let me get this out of the way. We're going to cut this open and we're going to expose the meat. Watch your eyes. I knew I should have worn my sunglasses. I hate to say safety glasses advised. These are pretty expensive, so it's not like we cook them very often. It's what, been over a year since we did it before. And they're not that easy to do. But what we're going to do is we're going to pry them apart. And even after we cut them, it's not that easy. What we're doing is we're exposing the meat. And now we're going to take our finger and pull the meat away from the shell. And we're going to go all the way around it. And get it down here where you can see. I probably didn't get any of that in close-up. Bummer. Also today, we're going to be having I smoked some chicken breasts, so we're going to be having pollo de chalupa. And I also, last night, I smoked some carnitas. Now, all of my friends back east are going, carnitas? I don't know if I'm going to eat that. Well, all y'all call that pulled pork. That's all it is, pulled pork. And with carnitas, I make it a little spicy. But anyway, so we got that one done. Now we're going to do this one. And we're going to we're going to smoke these for about an hour at 225. We're using apple wood. And we're going for the internal temp of 145. That's a shellfish, so you need to be careful with it. And the same thing, moving my thumb on the inside along the shell. It's a lot easier if you start from the top. We aren't going 100% around, but we're going around enough. Okay, now these are ready. So what I'm going to do, I got to get a meat probe in here. Like I say, it's lobster. We're not taking any chances. And I've made up some, drawn some butter and put garlic. How much? About a quarter teaspoon? Yeah. To half a stick of drawn butter. Okay. Now that's ready. Next, we've got some clams we're going to smoke up. Okay, I'm back, and we're going to, we've got some stuffed clams, and we're going to smoke those at the same time as the lobster. This is going to be kind of tricky because they're finished at 2 different temps, and I don't want to screw up. Can I get 3 on there maybe? Get 1 more. We're sticking both the lobsters, and that's all there is to it. And then we'll be ready to go out and throw them in the Masterbuilt. And that one's pretty good. That seems a little low. And then I think we'll poke a couple over here. Okay, we're ready to go. I'll see you later.